Hey guys, Emini Junkie here. It is Friday, March 6th. I want to show you a trade that I got in over the dead zone, which is normally not a time I'll take a trade, but I want to explain why I got into this trade and what I was seeing, and then to show you how I'm going to manage this trade. During this morning's session, we got a large move from 699 all the way down to about 674. During the lunchtime hour, we started getting a pullback, and we pulled all the way back to yesterday's close, which is a 682.50, and we started getting a reaction off that close. And I did my normal entry right below one of my major moving average areas that acts as resistance, and got into the trade right here at 681.25, and we immediately got our first target objective hit at 680.75, and our stop has adjusted down. And we've gone down and traded all the way down. I'm trying to let this trade run for a good portion of the day because I'm expecting to see lower lows throughout the day. We actually broke our lows of the day of 673.75, and now are trading below that. You can see we have a low down here of 671.75. If we break a new low here, I'm going to move my stop all the way down just above the 673.75 level. I'm going to put my stop at 674. As to not get stopped out of this trade if we do make new lows here. And I'm just going to keep my target open at this point because this could be a big runner. I'm going to protect a large portion of my profits. This was only a 2-contract trade initially. You can see I'm still in the 1 contract, and you know, sometimes you have to play for these bigger moves instead of taking your initial target. So that's what I'm doing. I just want to show you how I'm managing it. I'll try to follow this trade up throughout the day and you know, let you see how it works out. Again, I'm not going to adjust this stop down until which time I break a new low. Right now it would be safe to put this down at the 679 level, so that's what I'll do. We'll guarantee ourselves some profits. Obviously not as much profits as we potentially can get if this thing continues to trade to the downside this afternoon. Once again, just to recap, once I break 61.75, I'm going to adjust my stop down below this to 674, and I'll follow up the trade at a later point. Okay guys, what's happened here is we actually did get a little bit of a retracement back up, and we did at 675.75. So I'm going to bring my stop down to 676, again to guaranteed profits. And I'm just going to continue to trail this down until which point I get a confirmed trend change. I want to get my my target out of the way. We're coming upon 130. 130 is a reversal period, so we're going to watch this closely, you know, in case there is a trend change down here. Regardless, we're going to have great profit in this trade, but we're trying to maximize it, and we're just trailing down among right above our swing highs as we break new lows. So I'll continue to update this trade. Okay guys, we're continuing to make new lows. I'm going to drag my target again down out of the way a little bit. Situation where we're guaranteed at least $400 on this 2-contract trade. We are coming into a reversal period, so you know, we could very easily get stopped out at this point, but that's okay. It's been a successful trade, as you can see. But we'll continue as we continue to make new lows. I will continue to trail this stop down. All right, guys, we're at new lows again. I'm going to bring my trail down to 72.25. Again, our entry was initially up here at 8. I'm starting to see some evidence. It looks like some covering coming in here, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and come down to 70.25 on my stop. We got about 30 seconds left. You can see we're right now sitting on about $625. Very conservative style of trading. If you're interested in what you see here, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. And I'm running down on video time, so let's go ahead and just take our profits right here on this next swing down, and $650 if we get filled, and we did. So there you go, $650 on 2 contracts.